I'd like to say na woman can be on top of the world. Woman can be on top of anything and everything if she believes in herself. Kasi kagaya nga no, mantra ni Elise dun sa story, yung kanya I am affirmation, which sa akin mismo nanggaling yung I really chose those affirmations. Kasi gusto kong yun yung maging boses ng mga babae na I believe in my own story. I create my own story because I believe in myself. So I am not defined by what has happened to me. I am strong, I am enough, I am worthy of love and respect. So gusto kong yun yung isipin ng, I mean, it can apply also to both men and women, but for this, ang boses na gusto kong marinig is boses ng women. To be honest, when I got the project, naging interesado akong sumali, maging martial artist, experience, to try to experience it. Like, di ba yung experience mo, it's so really engaging, tsaka parang it's enlightening to know na tumagan tong mga martial arts. Akala natin, only men can do. Kasi ang intimidating niya, di ba? Ang lalaki, akala mo, men lang. Tapos nandun pa yung parang feeling natin as a babae kapag na-engage tayo sa ganitong martial arts, sa ganitong sports. Ay, nahihipuan ako, mahahawakan ako. But to be honest, yung mga, kasi we were working with a lot of professional jiu-jitsu coaches. In fact, we have like 4 to 5 jiu-jitsu coaches na lahat talaga binabantayan nila. Kasi dahil nga, ito yung something na hindi ko alam. So, kailangan syempre, pag ipo-portray mo siya sa movie, a lot of people will be watching it. You wanna do it correctly. So, we made sure na lahat, every detalye ng ginagawa namin in terms of yung sa physicality, yung action, tama. So, we're guided by jiu-jitsu players. Tapos, like I was saying, nawawala yung, kumbaga tayo, may mali siya tayo, nakita natin sa opening scene, nagpatungan, woman on top, almost like a 69 position. But for these jiu-jitsu professionals, that's really, wala yun, that's nothing. They're not even bothered by the sweat, or kung nasan yung position ng kamay nila, nasan yung position ng paa nila. So, alam mo yun, nakaka-open din ng mind, diba? It's really about your focus on what you really want to achieve. So, ito yung parang jiu-jitsu. Mini-mirror lang yung what you want to focus on. You want to focus on healing yourself. You want to focus on getting your power back. Not just physical power. Kasi sa jiu-jitsu parang nandun yung discipline, getting your physical power against the opponent. Ito, yung power mo against lahat ng mga adversities na kinakaharap mo ngayon. Be a man or a woman ka man. So, parang with the music also, is very picky with the music. Nag-isip ko na dapat bagay, like, it's time to save our soul, pero you can't, you save your soul, but you have to rely on yourself. And sa script pa lang, na scripting, and then, kasi during the training, diniscuss ko na sa mga coaches na these are the scenes na kailangan natin i-detalye, and I want to mirror these specific scenes, like 3 scenes, the rape scene, the first part na nagkaroon ng anxiety attack si Elise, at saka yung sa mga winning moments niya, dapat pareho yun kasi yun yung nag-trigger sa kanya yung rape. So parang kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga winning moments na, yung sa mga fight niya, parang nami-mirror yung rape. Tapos diniscuss ko rin na parang, yun nga, with the music, I want to juxtapose the music doon sa nakikita nyo visually na may fight. Ito parang, gusto ko yung parang celebration niya na, triumphant na ako dito. It's very, I'm gonna get my peace after this. Diba? Kasi parang takbo ng movie, it's very somber, very oppressive. So, yun. Parang mas, bukod sa visually, physically na nakikita natin dun sa movie, mas gusto kong mag-engage tayo more on the emotional. Hindi yung team ng fight mismo. So, kumbaga, device lang yung jiu-jitsu, pero mas more on na-engage tayo sa kung ano talagang pinagdadaanan ni Elise.
Paano mo kinuha yung iba, Kia and other keeping man?
Ano po to, medyo collaboration naman po yung podcasting po namin with producers from Viva and producers ng Provincias of Filipinas. Tapos, karoon ng pitching, tapos nireview ko rin naman po yung mga ibang works nila.
So si Angela galing sa Viva?
Yes po.
Or si audition or what?
Galing sa Viva, nagkaroon po kami ng shorties, mga names. Tapos alam ko naman po yung mga works din ni Angela. And like I've said, she's a perfect one for this. Kasi nga, yung parang sinasabi mo, opposite na dapat jiu-jitsu player, dapat it should be parang physically looking strong, ganon, determined. Si Angela, yung boses pa lang niya, di ba? Parang napaka-frail na. So, parang gusto ko lang sabihin dito na you can't be defined sa base sa physical characteristics sa makikita sa'yo, di ba? Kasi you have your inner voice naman, wherein mapapakita mo pa rin yung strength mo in other ways.